Good morning everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on a Bitcoin. Nothing crazy I think today to update. So it's gonna be a bit of a fast one, not gonna lie. We're going to cover a bit of a link I think. But yeah, let's focus on Bitcoin first of all. So we are still within this range at the moment. Okay, so this range was planned yesterday really. By the way, is the microphone working well? Yes, nice. So we're still within this range really. We just have to trade the range until it breaks. Not gonna make it more complex, okay, with the wave and everything. I'm gonna wait for any move to come really to add some more waves here on the chart until I see something better here. But for now, I mean, there is nothing crazy to be honest with you. So I prefer not to share any wave and just stay with the medium time frame waves and just stay with this simple channel really on the chart and just trade this until it breaks. Okay, so yesterday what we've planned really was very simple. We've got a long trade and two long trades possible and two short trades possible. So we've got this first possible long trade that was here, you know, so it was really from this swing third pan here with a daily value at low level. Okay, anyway, plus this swing third pan here. So this was the first possible long trade. So we did go to swing third pan here with some really good data here on the low. Not gonna lie, you've got 10 million of new shorts coming in here. Okay, this is absolutely crazy. If you go and check this out on the 30 minutes, you can see in here. So this was, you know, the swing third pan plus the levels below plus this swing third pan below here. So when in there, you can see all the million here of shorts coming. You have like 10 million. This is absolutely crazy huge. And so of course price reverse come back up, then you have some longs coming in into a resistance because this was so from the long target. You go then into the short target, the NPOC plus the value are high, and so from here you get some few millions again coming here, and next to start from something bearish on the, if you go on the 15 minutes here. What you've got was simply absorption on the highs. Okay, you've got this top right here, high, low, high. High, low, high first, so no absorption there, but you've got some good bearish data. Next you've got this, so high, higher, high. You have a high, low, high here, you can see high, low, high, so absorption. Then you come and make another high here, another high. You have a high, low, high. Here you have a high, high, high. And so of course market move down. And something to be aware of, okay, if you was looking only for this bullish divergence, so you can learn a bit the order flow today. Just gonna put this back like this. Perfect. If you were spotting, you know, this bullish divergence we've got yesterday from the long target, okay? Well, the thing is, since then we took the highs, okay? And so now the latest divergence at that time was this one here, the bullish one, because we have a low, high, low, 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 low. But the thing is, next when we come to the highs, we'll have some longs coming in here, and you can see here that we have now a bearish divergence. So if you were spotting only this, well, be aware of the next high really. If we reverse this, just check if there's absorption. We can see here high, 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 low, high. So that brings us with a nice small move down, to be fair. Not crazy, but a small move down. Anyway, so let's move on the chart again and see if we can get something now. So let's remove this, let's keep this, and let's see if there is a new daily level. No. Okay, so let's go now on Exo chart, see if there is a new naked session path control. No. TPO, yes. And the NPOC possibly. Okay. Well, what is this? 32738. Well, yeah, we also have a possible swing third pan here of the low. Sorry. We'll see if there is some more confidence next. Here's nothing. Let's see on the ticks one as always. No. Alright, that was quick. So what we can do here is simply to pull this this fixed range. So you can go here on the 15 minutes and place it. So from the bottom we have done. There'll be more in case we reclaim here to place it like this. to the very beginning here of the consolidation, so to speak, around there, you know, start of the range really, either here, by the way, either here, let me see. Well, yeah, there is not a big difference. No, it's not what I wanted to do here. Okay, well, let's add a swing for pound level there. Well, that's in the middle of the consolidation right now, so we can look for a long here, you know. This can be a first level to trade based off the direction again for a swing for the pound or a failed auction really, but I mean, there is reason, I mean, there is zero confidence here except the TPO, but we are below everything here. Nah, for scalpers you can look for this, but otherwise for day traders I will more look for the targets below and above really with planned. So here if we place, now we cannot even put this by the way. And by the way, this changing now, it's a bit below now. Yes. Perfect. So well, yeah, the first resistance will release, well, this, okay, plus the highs. So well, we'll need to break out at some point, that's something for sure. So be careful maybe now, because we're a bit contracting the move like a triangle. It was I can't remember who was talking about this yesterday on the Discord server, but you have this kind of contracting stuff there, so at some point it will need to either do a fake out but still try to break, so we can go a bit above, take some few highs and not stop, for example, into the resistance. Okay, but yeah, this will be the first resistance really of the day, just set an alert there. Okay, and well, just use the direction really, it's the only thing you need to do. With the highs, okay, and if we manage to break the high here, is nothing good for a short trade. Well, we're simply going to look for the next one here, so to speak, here, top right here, plus the key level, plus the top of the range, of course. And if we start breaking this, well, we're going to move next on the higher time frame chart, but this is the same as yesterday, really. And yeah, if we have to drop from here, well, be aware of the current bottom. We have a possible TPO just below here, so I can bring us with a bit of a bounce for scalpers. But otherwise, same as yesterday, really, just a new swing for the pan, or the previous low here, but of that low, sorry. And if we manage to break this, well, we can look for the naked session path control down to the bottom right here of the consolidation. And well, if we break this, well, we break this down, as I said yesterday and explained this, we can look for a fake out, okay? So either, for example, a swing for a pan there, we reclaim directly, we take some few lows, and then we come back up directly here, close above, really, okay? We just leave the previous lows with a wick. And then we need to get, of course, the demand and everything to reclaim. And otherwise failed auctions, we just get acceptance really below, sorry, here, start to maybe trap some shorts to get some massive liquidations, form something bullish really, okay, and then we come back up and bam, we get this rise. A bit more tricky as we spend some more time below and then come back up, but again, you can trade this most of the time on the order flow, you can recognize this. For example, if we still break but there is a really big sign of weakness, for example, like there is no volume really, nothing is following, well, you have more likely a fake out coming. Okay, next. But anyway, if we really do break out, well, we can simply go on the higher time frame level chart here. Let's go on the 4 hours here. And perfect. And so yesterday, by the way, the fib time, so we've got this just the start of the rise here. So well, we've got the fib time here, if you remember good, start of the drop. We've got the fib time here, start of this small drop, second fib time here, start in third one here, start of the drop 2, and to here, start of the rise. We can now remove this, and we are done. There are no new fib times really. Just gonna double check this, but normally there are no any new fib times. Like this. And now. nothing more at the moment. But yeah, anyway, so here if we do break this range to the downside, okay, we can simply look here. Sorry, so for the first long target really we have planned, okay, this was planned when it was on the very top. I don't have a screenshot at the moment, but this was planned when it was, good morning mate, this was planned when it was on the very top. So first target really here, we just hit the top, as you can see, of the target. We've got a nice retest. Well, we still have all the lows here below to take, really, okay, if we have to go back into that target for a long trade. Be aware of that if we take out this last low here, okay, we can of course look for a swing through a pan or a failed auction. It's not over. It's not because we break that low down here that we can just look for the second target next. We can absolutely just do a swing through a pan, come back up directly, or get a failed auction, and get a failed auction can bring us with a possible swing through pan or failed auction of this bottom right here. That will be a really big failed auction, okay, but it's something possible. And to go maybe touch, you know, the 618, 66%. Hello, I donated late. No worries, mate, it's fine. You can join whenever you want. But yeah, so just be aware of such configuration, really, where we do take this low, really get acceptance a bit below to take that one here, maybe even go into the 618, 66% here, and from here reverse. This is something we have to be aware of, as here we have a single print just below, okay, and we have a DNPOC also level, so this is something we have to be aware of. Well, and if we start breaking this, we can simply look for the next more likely target where there is the most biggest confluence, really, okay, of this move down. So to speak, here is a weekly negative path control plus a path control right here. And of course, it can bring us down to the low right here for a possible swing through. I know it will be something that Bitcoin absolutely love to do these days. We go below everything, we flip into resistance, we either fake the drop, stay with this, or make a new low, stay like this, okay, and continue higher and reclaim, really. Or we make a new low to really make everyone even more bearish, and from here we reclaim and bam, come back up. This is something we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, I mean 4 times already within this range. I mean, this is absolutely crazy. never saw that before. But this is really complex to trade, but well, when you know how to trade it, you know the data you have to look for. Well, for example, yesterday we've got this on the very bottom. Well, you could recognize that we was more likely about to do this. That's why the order flow is very useful. But anyway, so yeah, second big target is really the weekly negative path control around 40,000 with a path control here of this full uptrend. And we are done with the long trades. Okay, not gonna cover lower for the moment. It's not really useful. Longs are here, by the way. Look. And so the short trades, well, we have this first short trade I did play it. I mean, the first one was this one here, drop. The second one was this, so drop. Now, so the third one really. Okay, but the first one, the chart, so I'm gonna say the first one will be really, so the weekly. If we really have to break this up, we will go for the weekly here up to the value high. And as always, as Bitcoin love to do some complex level approach these days, be aware of such configuration where we just break through, we go above the resistance, we flip into support, maybe we'll just go above, really spend some time doing FA above, maybe swing through pan this small top right here we'll have on the lower time frame, okay, and so either come back down directly, either do, you know, what we have done 4 times already within this range, fake the pump, either a new high, either stay like this, form something bearish and come back down, okay, that will trap some longs, or really go find some liquidation, some few stop loss, stuff like this above this lower time frame high. But yeah, so this is the first target. If we manage to reclaim this, we can simply look for the next one, so around 46,000. Reclaim this, we can look for 46,800, by the way. And if we start to break this, sorry, we can simply look for a new high really to be made. Okay, so we have 2 main long trades. Okay, of course with some few different targets. I mean, here we have all the lows, really, not more complex to be fair. Yeah, 2 long trades, 3 short trades, and that's it. When you go into the target, just set an alert, of course, before you just bam, right click, add an alert here, or you can do it like this directly on the right. Name it resistance 1, 2, 3 and support 1, 2, 3, and just when it rings, come to the chart and see if there is something good on the order flow, really. Okay, with the waves, well, not gonna cover this again, not really useful to be fair. I already covered this a couple of times, so you know normally in what we are. And if you don't know because you're new, coming here. Well, welcome first of all. And what you can do here is simply to go on the Discord server or on the YouTube channel, by the way. But here you have all the links directly ready, so you know exactly what video you have to look for. You have the bullish higher time frame wave count, the bearish higher time frame wave count, and the levels on the higher time frame. So you know exactly the different wave count we have to take if we push up or if we go down, and you know exactly where you have to look for a long and where you have to look for a short, and all of this for absolutely free. You also have some dates planned. For example, we have the 11th of March coming next. No, that's 2025, by the way. Here, 11th of March 2024. A day to be aware of, really. And yeah, you have the MC strategy there. I posted this message yesterday, so you know exactly how to trade this, because I explained this within the VIP section before, and there is no VIP for months now, by the way. Well, I posted this again with some few updated stuff, so you can trade this better. But for example, yesterday, you know, we've got this nice MC strategy. I'm just showing with you the targets. You place your limits, so you market order, you do whatever you want, really. But this is the way I'm trading this. And you also have a cheat sheet here, really, where you can just well, just copy paste, you know, into your trading account next, so you get it faster, really. But anyway, so just go and check this out, really. And if, by the way, you want to learn Elliott waves, well, you've come to the right place, because there will be a brand new course coming in March. I'm going to share more details on the Discord server in next week, I think. Time to finish some few stuff. But you will get a new Elliott wave course. There are going to be some much better videos, not gonna lie, much more professional way to do this. This will not be some 30 minutes video like what you have in the course at the moment. It will be between 3 minutes and 10-13 minutes maximum. This will be some short version, really. But like really better. So yeah, stay tuned. You're gonna get some nice courses there, of course, with some contest, with some quiz and everything, where you can get some rewards, some Q&A sessions, and the 4 first course will be for absolutely free. So to speak the first month, because it's gonna be on every Monday, and then a Q&A also during the week after each course. So anyway, stay tuned. I'm gonna talk more about this next week. I think time to finish some few stuff. But it's gonna be pretty cool, and then possibly an MOONCHARTS cool. But first of all, Elliott waves, okay? But anyway, so yeah, just go and check out the website, really. Create your account, go into the account section here, connect your Discord account, so you can just stay updated, really, or just watch the videos, really update, and you will be good too. You do whatever you want. Anyway, that's it really for me for today. If you want to get up, by the way, up to 7,000 deposit bonus, you can go and check out the link you have in the description on the PRIMEXBT platform. That's still a platform I'm using for trading. This was the first one I was using, by the way, when I started trading. Still a good one, trading on it. So if you want to get a bonus and you like it, you like that one too, well, you can go and check this out. And if you don't care, you don't care. Anyway, I wish you a brilliant day. Take care of you. And by the way, before to end, we have some news today. No, and yes, I wanted to cover links. So before to end, I hope you're still there. Here, so yesterday, you know, I was talking about this. I'm gonna cover this real quick. So the bearish plan here. Well, I don't like this one anymore because it went too high, to be fair. So if we have to retrace a bit more here, well, I will be looking for an ending, so to speak. I'm not going to look for this anymore. Well, I'm gonna remove this, by the way. It's gonna be better. So I'm gonna take so not this. Let me just place a wave really quick. So it's gonna be here in wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a wave 5. But it will be an ending. So we either have now an ending, sorry, either an impulsive. Okay, so we have an ABC zigzag first. We'll have either a possible bigger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, like this. Okay, with an ABC zigzag in the wave 1, 3, and 5. That will bring us with this. It's in case really we'll have to drop from here. Well, I'm more going to look for such configuration. I don't have the levels updated at the moment for this one. Maybe I'm saying shit, by the way. No, I have to see a bit more to cover this a bit more on my side. But yes, so this will be the configuration really in case we'll have to drop a bit more. For example, if Bitcoin is dropping and it bring link also to lower prices, really. And otherwise, I'm gonna take this in. Let's take this to, okay, oops. Minimum time frame 2, let's go with this. So that will be the second configuration in case we drop really from here, and the first configuration really simply, by the way, it will be here, this bullish configuration. What I prefer at the moment is because we are breaking, as you can see here, the wave 2. By the way, no, it was that one. Well, beware of such configuration, what I shared first of all. Okay, so the wave 1, 2, the other wave 1, 2, 3, or 5. So this one is done, and then we have in that case a bigger wave 3, 4, 5. Problem is, it makes more sense with the targets and everything to be in such configuration. So full wave 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5. So if we're in this, well, we are already in the wave 3 top, and the wave 3 top is done. As you can see, we rejected to the dollar and most the 1618 of the wave 3. From here, in that case, we trace between the 38.2. I'm just gonna move this a bit more on the right so you can see a bit better what's going on there. Perfect. So this will be really the buy zone, okay, to speak, of this pink wave 4. In any case, there is no big difference. Okay, if we're in the blue wave 4 still here with a double wave 1, 2, 1, 2. If I place this here, you can see it's even a bit above, by the way. So there is not a big difference, but you can see here it's even a bit above. So in any case, there is no big difference. Okay, if we have to be in this configuration or still in that wave 4 here or in the pink wave 4, there is not a big difference. In any case, we shall get a bounce because we have a wave 4 and a wave 5, so that's not a real problem. But yeah, this is a target really where we can look for a bounce. And so from here we can look either for this pink wave 5, so take profit a must on this wave 5, okay, or this wave 5 here. But yeah, in any case, we shall get a bounce from this target around there and get a rise possibly. Okay, just wanted to update that. There is a possible long trade setup. You take it or not, you do whatever you want. Anyway, that's it really for me for today. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thank you, nice update. Thank you, mates. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. And yeah, hope it was not too long, but well, there is nothing really great to cover. So yeah. But anyway, have a brilliant day. Take care and catch you all in the next one. Hopefully with a better Bitcoin move. Have a nice day. Cheers.